Good morning, dear children. Once again, welcome back to the classes. Today onwards, we will discuss a new chapter, that is chapter 9, Australia, location, political divisions and physical features. Australia, introduction. The term Australasia includes Australia, New Zealand and the neighboring islands of the South Pacific Ocean. Along with Australia and New Zealand, some of the islands which are located in the South Pacific Ocean are altogether called Australasia. It is also known as Oceania. Australasia is also known as Oceania. It is one of the three continents which are located in the southern hemisphere. Okay, what are the three continents which are located in the southern hemisphere? They are first one, South America, Africa, and the third one is the Australia. These are the three continents which are located in the southern hemisphere. Among these three continents, Australia is the only continent which is completely located in the southern hemisphere. Australia was discovered in the beginning of the 17th century. When it was discovered? It was discovered in the beginning of the 17th century. Abel Janszoon Tasman. He was a navigator from Dutch, or he was a Dutch navigator who sailed around the southern coast in 1642. The island of Tasmania and the Tasman Sea are named after him. For the memory of this Dutch navigator, the island as well as the sea got the name Tasman Sea and the Tasmanian Islands. After Tasman's voyage, Captain James Cook sailed from England in 1788 and eventually landed at Botany Bay near Sydney. Another important traveler or sailor who landed in Australia. He was from England. What was his name? His name was Captain James Cook. He travelled and landed in the Botany Bay near Sydney in 1788. And he hoisted the national flag of England in the eastern coast and demanded that Australia belongs to the England. Australia belongs to England. Now let us study about the location and extent. If we are looking over the globe, we will find out that Australia lies entirely in the southern and eastern hemisphere. In the beginning, I already told you, Australia is the only continent which is completely located in the southern hemisphere. And it is located in the southeastern hemisphere, south as well as the eastern hemisphere. Another important feature of the continent of Australia is that the Tropic of Capricorn, that is the latitude at 23.5 degrees south of the equator, is passing almost through the center of the continent of Australia. It extends from 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south latitudes, and the continent of Australia is located between the latitudes 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south. In the east-west direction, the region extends from 112 degrees east to 154 degrees east longitudes, and the longitudinal extent of the continent of Australia is 112 degree east to 154 degree east longitudes. Now let us study about the boundaries. Australia lies between Indian Ocean on the west, the Pacific Ocean in the east, the Arafura Sea and the Timor Sea lies in the north, and the Southern Ocean to its south. Within these water bodies lies the smallest continent called Australia. The shape of Australia is like a quadrilateral, which means it is something like a four-sided figure. Australia is something like a four-sided figure. The area of Australia is 76 lakhs 82,300 square kilometer. It is the smallest continent in the world. What are the other continents in the world? The largest one is Asia, second one Africa, third one North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. These are the 7 continents. What are they? First one Asia, second one Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and the last and the smallest one is the Australia. These are the 7 continents. Among the 7 continents, Australia is the smallest continent. And it is the smallest continent in the world. It has 5.2% of the world land area. Political divisions, states and capitals. Australia is divided into 6 states. They are New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia, Queensland, Tasmania and the Western Australia. Australia is politically divided into 6 states. They are New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia, Queensland, Tasmania and the Western Australia. There are also 2 internal territories governed by the central government, that is Northern Territory and the Australian Capital Territory, which includes Canberra, the capital of Australia. Both of these territories are large but thinly populated. Even though these 2 states are very large in size, the population over this area is very less. That is the end of today's class. Thank you very much for listening to my class.